Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset the service a reminder on your Mercedes GLA 250. First, make sure all your car doors are securely closed and the vehicle is not running. Next, insert your key into the ignition and turn it one click to the accessory position. Do not start the engine. It's important that your dashboard display shows the trip odometer at this point. This initial setup ensures you can access the hidden service menu correctly. Now let's access the service menu. On your steering wheel, find the phone button, usually on the right, and the OK button, typically on the left. You'll need to press and hold both of these buttons at the exact same time. Keep them pressed for about 5 seconds. After a brief moment, a special service menu will pop up on your instrument cluster, allowing you to proceed with the reset. Once in the service menu, use the arrow buttons on your steering wheel to scroll down. You're looking for the option labeled Assist Plus. Select it by pressing the OK button. From there, navigate to Full Service, and then confirm by selecting Confirm Full Service. The system will then prompt you to choose the oil grade used during your recent service. Make sure to select the correct one and confirm that the service has been completed. For the final step, the system will ask you to confirm the reset. Select Yes to finalize the process. After confirming, turn off your vehicle's ignition completely. Give it a moment, then restart your Mercedes GLA 250 as you normally would. You should now see that the service a reminder message has been successfully cleared from your dashboard display, indicating a complete and successful reset. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.